Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about binomial theorem. Now let us start the class. The middle term of x plus a whole power of n expansion see here. Now the middle term of x plus a whole power of n depending on n value. Okay. See here, for example, I will take here x plus a whole power of 2. That is nothing but a plus b whole square form. So x square plus 2xa plus a square we get here. Okay, so x plus a whole power of 2 is nothing but x square plus 2ab plus b square, that is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x square plus 2xa plus a square we get here. Okay, so see here in this expansion 3 terms are there. Okay, so how many middle terms are exist here? Only one is the middle term. This is the middle term, 2xa. Clear? For example, one more example we take here, x plus a whole power of 3 we take here, a plus b whole cube. So x cube plus 3x square a plus 3xa square plus a cube we get here. So how many terms are exist here? Here 4 terms are exist here. Clear? So here dividing like this here, 2, there are no middle terms. So that's why we take here these 2 are middle terms we take here. Okay, so how to take here? Suppose here this is even, then we have only one middle term. Okay, now here this is odd, 2 middle terms are exist. Observe this one, 2 middle terms. Okay, for example, we take here x plus a whole power of 4. We know the expansion, this is also. So x plus a whole power of 4. How to write here? X power of 4 plus 4 x cube a plus x square a square plus 4 x a cube plus a power of 4 we get here. Okay, so here this is even number. How many middle terms are exist here? Only one middle term, that is nothing but this is. Observe this one. ఈ రెండిటి పక్క వెళ్తే ఈ రెండిటి పక్క వెళ్తే మధ్యలో ఒక ఉండేది మిడిల్ టర్మ్. ఓకే, సో వీ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మిడిల్ టర్మ్. సపోజ్ వి రిటైన్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఏ హోల్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 5. ఓకే, సో ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఏ హోల్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 5. సో వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్? ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 5 ప్లస్ 5x పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 a ప్లస్ 10x cube a square plus 10x a cube plus x square a cube, 10x square a cube plus 5x a power of 4 plus a power of 5 we get here. So this is the x plus a whole power of 5 expansion. So here this is odd number. So how many middle terms are exist? Actually 2 middle terms. What are they? సో దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ది మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ హియర్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మధ్యలో ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి ఈ రెండింటిని మిడిల్ టర్మ్గా తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఒకటి సింగిల్గా ఉన్నది, ఈ రెండింటి పొంగ మధ్యలో ఒకటి ఉంది కాబట్టి అది మిడిల్ టర్మ్గా తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, హౌ మెనీ మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ హియర్? 2 మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ హియర్. క్లియర్? సో అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ వన్. నౌ యూ విల్ టేక్ హియర్ x plus a whole power of 4 expansion and x plus a whole power of 5 expansion. Okay, so what is the middle terms here? This is even number, so we have only one middle term, that is nothing but in between which term is there, that is middle term. So this is odd number, we have in between 2 terms are exist here, they are this term and this term. Okay, right? So we write here x plus a whole power of 5, x plus a whole power of 4. How to write here? Middle term is nothing but we write here middle term is 6x square a square, 6x square a square. Here middle terms are this one. Suppose x plus a whole power of 10 is there, x plus a whole power of 8 like that here. Okay, సో అవి ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా రాస్తాం మనం అంటే, డైరెక్ట్ రాయాలి అంటే ఎలా చేసుకుంటాం చూడండి. ఇది ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్, ఇది సెకండ్ టర్మ్, థర్డ్ టర్మ్, అంటే థర్డ్ టర్మ్ అనేది ఇక్కడ మిడిల్ టర్మ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ అది మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ మిడిల్ టర్మ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే ఇఫ్ n ఈజ్ ఈవెన్ tn/2 + 1 is the middle term, of the expansion. Okay, suppose if n is odd, how to take care, how many middle terms are exist here? Third and fourth. How to get third and fourth? So we are adding one more for 5, that is nothing but we are adding n/2, we get here. So that is nothing but 5 + 1/2, 6/2, t3 we get here. And one more, that is nothing but tn + 1/2 + 1. ఓకే, సో అంటే ఇది t3 అవుతుంది, ఇది t3 అయింది. ఇంకోటి యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా t4 వస్తుంది. దీనికి tn + 1/2కి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేస్తే అది ఫోర్త్ టర్మ్, అది కూడా మిడిల్ టర్మ్ అవుతాయి. ఇప్పుడు మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ ఏమవుతాయి? సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ n ఈజ్ ఈవెన్ tn/2 + 1 is the middle term. If n is odd, tn + 1/2 and tn + 1/2 + 1 is the middle terms. Okay, right, next question is the middle term of x + 1/x whole power of 2n is how much? So options are 2nc(n/2), second one is 2nc(n), third one is 2nc(n-1), fourth one is 2nc(n+1). Okay, now see here 2n is even or odd. See here, observe that one. So this is even. Why? Because suppose n equals to 1, 2 we get here, n equals to 2, again 4 we get here, that is also even. So that is nothing but 2n is the even number. Okay, so now we find out the middle term of given expansion, that is nothing but tn/2. Here in place is replaced by 2n/2 + 1, 2n/2 + 1, that is nothing but 2 gets cancelled, we get here tn + 1 is the middle term, okay, is the middle term. Clear? So we find out here tn + 1. So how to write here tn + 1? See here, so general term of given expansion is nothing but tr + 1 equals to ncr x power of n minus r a power of r. Okay, so here in place of x is nothing but x as it is, in place of a 1/x is there. Okay, so we find out here tn + 1, here r is replaced by n, so tn + 1 is equals to, here n is nothing but 2n, so 2n c r is nothing but n. Okay, next x as it is, x power of n minus r, that is 2n minus n, next into 1/x whole power of n we write here. Okay, so that is nothing but 2nc n, x power of 2n minus n is nothing but n, 1/x power of n. So x power of n is cancelled, we get here 2nc n. So 2nc n is the middle term of given expansion. So that is nothing but second option is the right answer. Okay, so the middle term in the expansion of 1/x whole power of n, 1/x whole power of n is there. So how to find out? See here, so 1/x whole power of n is nothing but we write here as it is 1/x whole power of n. So then after this can write also x minus 1 whole power of n divided by x power of n, Okay, so we take common -1, what we get here, 1/x whole power of n as it is, -1 whole power of n, 1/x whole power of n by x power of n we get here. Okay, so we are taking common minus, that is nothing but -1 whole power of n we get here, and remaining both are same values here. So -1 whole power of n into 1/x whole power of 2n we get here, divided by x power of n. Okay, so here this is the 1/x whole power of n expansion. Okay, what is the middle term of what is the middle term of that expansion? See here, so this is even number, that's why tn/2 + 1, that is nothing but 2n/2 plus 1. So 2n is even, so that t 2n plus 1 by 2, 2n by 2 plus 1 is the middle term, that equals to tn plus 1 is the middle term again. Okay, so we find out here middle term, that is nothing but 2nc. So first of all we write here given values. First of all we write here minus 1 whole power of n as it is, divided by x power of n also as it is. Now we write here the now 2n is there. So 2n is nothing but 1 minus x whole power of 2n is there. So 1 minus x whole power of 2n is nothing but 2nc n. So middle term of given expansion, that is nothing but tn plus 1. So we find out tn plus 1. So that is minus x whole power of n we get here. Okay. So 1 minus x whole power of 2n is there. So 2nc n minus x whole power of n. So minus 1 whole power of n. Here also minus 1 whole power of n we write here. 2nc n x power of n divided by x power of n. So x power of n both are cancelled. Minus 1 whole power of n, minus 1 whole power of n, minus 1 whole power of 2n. So 2n is even number, so that is plus we get here. So 2nc n is the middle term of given expansion. Okay.